Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today I'm going to show you how to turn these items from the Dollar Tree into a Fiddle Leaf Fig Tree for the dollhouse. Let's get crafting. Take 2 picks and take them apart. I'm not sure yet what to do with the leftover pieces. This might be nice in a garden bed or something. And this looks like it could go in a fish tank. And I'm not sure yet what to do with this one, but I'll save them for later. Take all the leaves and trim and shape them. Each leaf should have a heart-like dip at the end. My new Fiskars titanium snips work great for this project. To remove the fuzz, put all the leaves in hot water and a little dish soap. Let them soak for a while and then rub all the fuzz off. Go back and trim anything you missed. Put the leaves back on the branches. Take floral tape and wrap around the stems. Pull on the tape to make it sticky. If you're enjoying this video, let us know by hitting that like button. Once everything's wrapped and the trunk is wrapped, use brown acrylic paint to paint the tape. I added a little black to my brown to make it a bit darker. I'm going to use the pot from the succulent for my tree. Pull it out, pull out the styrofoam, trim the foam down so it will fit back in the pot. Add a rock or something heavy to the bottom so it won't fall over. I'm going to use these marbles because I can't seem to find any rocks right now. Glue the tree in. Then use school glue to glue in some dried coffee grounds for dirt. To make a shorter version, you'll only need one pick. Again, trim and clean the leaves. I use a wire cutter to trim the stem. Put the leaves on the stem like so. And wrap the stem with floral tape. Cut the stem down. Paint the stem. And use another pot from another succulent. Now I'm having a hard time getting the foam out of this pot, so I'm just going to stick my weighted item into the foam. This time I'm using a nut. Glue the tree into the nut. Now this styrofoam doesn't have a smooth surface, so instead of using coffee grounds, I'm going to just add a piece of felt and glue it over the top. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!